What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's been a little minute, but it's no shade, period. So Amanda here sent me this Kinky Straight 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig. And this wig is just everything that I never knew I needed. I knew that this textured hair resembled and embodied like real African American hair. But when I put this wig on Kelly, this looked like her real hair. It looked like it gave fresh relaxer. It could have gave natural hair with fresh silk press. It just gave, it was very realistic. The hair was very kinky and textured, but it still had a straight element to it. But I had to really press this hair out to kind of get that bone straight look. But the natural poof of the hair was kind of hot too. I wish I would have left it how it naturally is as well. The silky straight look was just everything. It gave me Tia and Tamara vibes. You guys will see. After I put those kaleidoscope drops on my client's real hair, I go in with my nude cap, and y'all know I use liquid gold gel because anything in the can don't belong on your skin, period. I don't show you guys my plucking process too much because I never really can get the angles right. But if you guys want me to show more of my plucking process, I will try. But y'all gotta let me know. If y'all don't ask me, I'm not gonna do it. I'm going in with my skin protectant and also a makeup white remover. But the main thing is skin protectant. Do not put glue on your skin without putting a base of skin protectant on first. It acts as a deodorant, and it also protects your skin from rashing out or getting little bumps. No shade. I love my boho lace tape. Kelly, she liked to wear her wigs for a while, and she be wanting them to last, so I always use tape on Kelly. I don't play that, and she maintains her frontals very well, so the tape is just that extra layer of security. But if you tie your hair down really good, you don't have to use tape. You can just use your adhesive and get a strong melt. No shade. And make sure if you're going to be like me and use your finger that you wash your hands. People always try to make fun of me because my hands be ashy. My hands be ashy because I'm constantly washing my hands. You can't have no dirty hands touching adhesive all in these people's face. Yeah, so it's no shade. But if you're going to spread the glue with your fingers, which isn't really recommended, make sure your fingers are clean. I just did that because I lost my little teal spatula that I use. I need to get some more from Boho. Auntie, come through. No shade. But yeah, so that's why I did that. I melted this lace and I used cold air. I don't use heat. I pressed it in and now I'm tying it down. Once I tie it down, I don't even blow dry. I just let it kind of just sit and, just really just set. And then I just cut that lace off with my eyebrow razor. Y'all already know that I cannot do the Humpty Dumpty tops. I say it in all my TikTok videos. Use your hot comb, use that mousse, and, flatten out that top. Especially if you're doing the middle part. There should be no height, no volume, no lift. It needs to be flat, girl. So use that hairspray, use that hot comb, use that wax stick, use that mousse. Do what you gotta do. But use it, no shade. Now, after I finish sectioning out my baby hairs, now I'm just going to go in and define my part. Y'all know when I do middle parts, it has to be a bust down middle part. And in order for it to be a bust down middle part, you have to pluck it a little bit, put a little makeup. I didn't do any black spray this install because I wanted a natural middle part. I wanted it to be very realistic, and when I do the clean black spray parts, it's cute, but it's not natural. Because y'all know I love to do hairspray baby hairs. I used to do gel baby hairs. But this install, I wanted it to look like, you know, fresh out the scalp. So I said we're doing mousse. Y'all know I do all three. Don't listen to me when I say do this way, do that way. Do whichever way you feel in the moment. Because I go back and forth with all three ways. Hairspray, gel, and mousse. But right now, mousse is my fave. That's what got me on a chokehold. And it's just no shade. Now I'm just doing more hot combing, more hot combing, more hot combing, because it is just very pivotal, vital, important, mandatory, necessary that you get that top flat. Let me show you guys the process of getting the kinks out of this hair. You can't just, hold on y'all, pause for the baby hair slay. This is hot, y'all. I had to take the band off mid-pressing because it was too tight on her head. But this is just so natural and so soft. You can see how soft they are, no shade. But yeah, back to the pressing out. This was no joke. Baby, when I tell you I had to get that root, like it was real 4C kinky hair, like I had to get the root. This is African American hair. It has to be. Like, if you're a black girl, order this wig because it's everything. You know, it's life. I think I'm gonna cut layers into it later on, but this hair you can't just do one pass, honestly. And this is the Baby Bliss flat iron. This is the good flat iron, but bitch, I had to go in 2, maybe 3 times at the root just to make sure it was flat, and then I would press it all the way through. But it just has that silky, real, it's just giving me Black History Month, bitch. I'm living up. And shout out to my girl Kelly Hicks. She has been getting so better at doing her makeup. She's really learning her face. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Kelly used to suck at doing her makeup, and we used to laugh so hard at just the stuff she would try to do on her own, and it would just be so funny. But over time, she's a quick learner. I can say that about my girl, cause she is killing her face. Like, you'll think she got her makeup done. No shade. Shout out to Amanda Hair for sending this bomb bust down kinky straight wig. I will put all the information for this hair in the description box. You will get all the hair deeds, all the hair links. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at Slay by Matthew. Follow my girl Kelly Hicks. We're growing. We're almost at, what is it now, 4,000 subscribers. Y'all ate that.